Hi, Jonas. I mean, we know each other from back in the day with SAP. I know you're spearheading a lot of different initiatives right now, which I find very, very interesting. I come from a conversation with Eero, a senior architect, SAP, but there's a lot of buzz and a lot of conversations around PAPM, so profitability and management, cloud. Uh, can you tell me a little bit? What does it really mean? What is it? Why do we need to pay attention to this?
Hi, Johan. Nice to see you again. Yeah, so I mean, PaPM Cloud, it's basically a tool. It's a versatile tool that we and our customers utilize to extend a lot of the standardized processes in SAP S/4HANA with tailor-made calculations, allocations, etc. And to basically model complex calculations, be able to process very large data volumes at high speed and gather data from SAP and non-SAP sources in the context of business data cloud.
All right. Okay. So what I'm thinking about here when we're talking about this, we're talking about clean core, obviously. We're talking about getting the data sorted, ready to use. Am I correct in that assumption?
Yeah, absolutely. You're on spot.
Yeah. Cool. What are the value points? What does it really bring to the client in this case?
Great question. I would say business users to become independent from their IT departments, to turn long-running month-end processes into real-time simulations,
Mm,
be able to perform calculations on an individual item level, so very granular,
mm.
be able to achieve clean core from an S4 perspective, and also be able to utilize our Joule Copilot and be able to leverage and utilize generative AI.
Yeah. So basically framing the clean core, making use of the buzzword that everyone is talking about, the
Yeah.
AI revolution or whatever we might call it. So yeah, really good. So that's I like that setup. Let's see what it brings. Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Thank you,
sounds
Jonas.
great.
Yeah.
Thanks.